This is what you do when you have a sick ducky.
Fluffy!
You watch mermaids together in bed.
Turns out mermaids is what Fluffy's like.
So it's H2O, just add water. The duckling's favourite.
Yes. There's 3 seasons to keep a duckling all happy and occupied. Oops.
What was that?
What was that? Hey. Hey, Fluffy.
And then one ducky becomes 3.
Yes.
And they're all watching telly.
Of course. What else would they be doing? Oh, even nibbling the telly.
Yes, they love watching H2O, just add water.
We tried other programs, but they prefer this.
Hello.
We like the camera.
Everyone. Oh, they've always loved the camera. Haven't ya? Hey, sweetheart. Hello. Come on. Hey, you darling. Hey. Look at Bubba. Hey. Yeah, the weather has been just too horrible, and these little ones have not been quite with it, and little Styly and Teeny.
See, Styly.
That's Styly, and then we have Teeny.
This was Teeny.
Teeny tinies.
Well, Teeny was here. No, that's Teeny. Is that Teeny?
Oh, we'll see who's smallest.
Yes.
Yeah, so no, I was correct
Yes,
about
you
Teeny.
were.
We haven't named the other one yet, but
Styly.
the gardener just got squirted on.
Squirty.
And it was a big squirty. Big squirts. Feel much better now, don't you? And look, we have a duck salad.
Yay!
A duckling salad. Yes. Hey, babies. Oh, it's so lovely having ducklings in the house again.
Definitely.
And in the bed. 6 ducklings at a time in bed was just too much.
But 3's quite manageable.
Yes. Hey. Hello. Hello to you. And hello. Hello you. And hello. You've come to life after that squat, haven't you? Hey. Made more room for food. Hey, Teeny. Hey, my little teeny weeny. Hey. Oh, so cute. So our little monsters.
Yes.
Bed monsters.
Bed monsters.
And TV monsters.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. We'll leave you to. I think Teeny's getting a bit tired. Hey, sweetheart.
I'll give you some salad just in case. Salad. Here we go.
Oh, night night, Teeny. And bye now.
Yes.